A section of Boda Riders of Lira City staged a protest against the transfer of DPC Ruganza Abel. Welcome for the news today on Lango News Channel. The protest was led by Owera Juma, the Boda Boda sectoral leader, assisted by Lira City female councillor Sarah Awor Angweri. The Boda Boda Riders claimed the DPC Ruganza helped to curb insecurity in the city by reducing roadside robbers, commonly known as Owuwuk. This protest, however, did not meet its purpose. Denish Ongora with a side of the story.
According to the critics, the protest turned lousy and insignificant due to the following reasons. The protest seems politically motivated, with condemnation on the Minister of Health, Dr. Jane Ruth Asheng, and the resident city commissioner, Lawrence Egole, whom they accuse of having hand in the transfer of the DPC, as shown by the writings on the placards they were holding. The Protestants forgot their writings and chanted with excitement to welcome Egole when he appeared to talk to them. While presenting their grievance, the Boda Boda men emphasized more on other issues such as unfavorable motorcycle loan terms, demand for stickers, and complaint on the actions of traffic police, and discussion on the history of other meetings with the RCC Egole. They presented their petition against the transfer of the DPC at last, and it appeared the list according to the critics. There was no written petition to the RCC Egole, and he had to push them back to go and organize for the same. The DPC Ruganza said he has been swapped with the DPC of Agago district and he is ready to go. He said the protest was uncalled for since transfer is normal.
It is a normal transfer to come. They happen, and because I was not here from the beginning, I was left to go, and I'm going to go. There's nothing about it for sure. There's nothing.
Okay, where have you been transferred?
I'm going to Agago. I think by tomorrow I will be reporting.
Okay.
Just waiting for my colleague. I told him to come. I think he's coming by tomorrow morning, and I will go.
Okay, who is replacing you?
It's Brian.
From where?
Agago.
Okay, you have been swapped.
It's a swap.
Okay.
Like it happened with me with Bataleke, now it is also the same here.
Okay.
Okay, brother.
Thank you. I wish you good luck there.
Yeah, we will be in touch, We will be in touch, no worries.
Alright.
Once in a while, a phone call, chap.
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Alright.
Boda Boda cannot ride at night. They were killing them. Boda Bodas. And now, like our women, we are raped at night. But because of Abel, we are not safe. So it seems some people are happy when we are being raped, when we are being killed, and we shall not accept this nonsense to continue. We have already known, and nothing will happen. The DPC will remain, and it should be on record. We shall not receive another DPC. They must give us a reason why they are transferring Abel. He has created a lot of impact. Instead of promoting him, they want to destroy him. What is happening to Uganda? When you do good things, you are paid badly. So must we continue to do bad or do good things? So we are here, and the RCC must address the Boda Boda because he's the head of security in Lira City. If he has failed to maintain security in the city, then we shall show him that he can also be in part of security. So we are not happy. Personally, I represent them. They picked me from my home. So I cannot refuse to come with them because I'm their leader.
We need to be calm about the situation.
No, but we are here to meet the RCC. That's the head of security. We have seen security prevail in the city. We are not complaining about police, but we want the RCC to give us the reasons for all the transfers. 5 months, 1 month, a DPC is transferred. Before you can know it's good, it's already transferred. Before we can feel the peace, it's already transferred. What is the meaning of all this? Have politics entered into security? Security is different from politics. These are voters. What if tomorrow we don't see them? Who will vote for us?
For us, what we are requesting is you calm down.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, you are down.
I will request you get back to your station. We are here to meet the RPC. If we want the
Boda Boda, and me no titwa yot. Ola jo me wan tu nga mobile timbal no Boda more no kubu akere. Jo maga me wan no kan na recovering duki magi ber konyu wun jo ka yakina wu. Do meo an chalo head of security put pera na harka no pe mor kere Boda. No pe mor kere. Donc, anan kiwa wuri cho. Eto anatia me to kobeuni. Ka nu cho tia wuri cho wunu ko. Amete ke tunde cho tamu. Tamu ma ker ko cho. No pira tek. Ka uneni kelo te be borra ate wur kana mir wuri mama manu. Pangyo kanyu tie ena dung ker ko cho chi yore. Den manin pe rong rai yo ai te ter kanor. Mama manu. Donc quand nous menons pas un dieu, on est tamoni wotunu que le leadership a te que yore. A leadership te kello. Mama manu. Ken manin ko ter kanor. Una de eu mama manu. Ya. Ken manin pe work kanor. Dana ko ni bu do kunu worker ni church ana ti office. E ka leadership te binu kere. Ameti organize. Ero ana met ko you concern. We you know. Amet ko you concern per beru jati peaceful. Mi dan pa ye ki nor ka kanyo ti mer ko ngator yakina unda kunu peacefully. Ita me binu kere. Abo wa mar te me dun kere ti. We you know. Kako umar tie. Ame kwa Boda Boda. Agora machana beru handling bagi kana kwa ko pejo atia mi ulon. Kita mau dia wonu keri ko. Ya mi upi loan ni ko ngogi. Manu temu beru handling kana to ka beru tie. Ameti jo kene yakino pe bin ka tela u. Yentu tela u kana me binu. Begin wu genda do ku ber keri jo ameti wonu wuni. Akin te muwangu kauti kere josha genu lo kapaba dana te yo bujo here na kere Boda mega mu peki wu lo ber kere jona mi wu loni ana te yo bujo here na piru kere wundang pa be boto tela wu me we ha win pe hu kwanyo directly boto wun Boda te mi yan tishi ye yor pore dana gurma ko abor ye mo jo mor kan wotu kere morni abo ko be geni ari mu ko lera yendo ko pa Boda te kame ma yu pipi na jo te mo ngoi te jo ma pat ma yu pipi kanya ni ko to ma biche la papa pipi chielo me lon cho million piera rio na jo te ma yu manu ante mi wat ke to wa te ma dressing ke dun Boda do kai winya luo yi mo ber jelu chawa pichawa chel Boda du be dun pe me yas gari out lo kuri mo do ana po pepi bali chawa wunti munu ber workete unu concerns we judge aite me unu leadership utekello ana ko ri office Boda ko yo office kan beru keru do hide ame mi mogo isiani petiati tugende petiati mo petiati era duong me kelingechi mena do tido bara wi wa chana lo bero banya amani mom kita ko kere enu wera en tiwi nyuni liu ore wan moku nino tinni niere kiabita binu me meeting wa kedu kiabita binu wan beru pian kiabita dong jamite pole nyima pe romber pe wan moku kere enu wera kiabita binu tena nino pore out meeting sar kiel wan kuski me yas garden out kame pande no out tie ko pero ano ya kan lok jamar yo
Tia ko gin kopa sticker win gido ko sticker. Awoma gidu ko gin kai karo ha ya choli karo ka yi tasho kar ngini kwene exactly neighboring ko district. Ka wor gin ko jobe ma ko town ila ha gel to me up your aboro depending on your negotiation ability. Do gindo biro bi ko one down me do bet kere sticker. Achara arrangement wa mai Boda Boda. Eri jo moro metia yelo wa kuwer ke city council. Dai ya ro cho Boda Boda program wani tuju. Do ni ati remi tunji ni. Na do ko gintia po wora nyim. Indo nu wora ko ni mani mom. Gina pire tek. Manu ber point pire tek to ala wuri raising no. Era antia ko yuni. Pecura po ber mana cielo ke ken. Pero jawa ni mom. Manu data lai. No po you ber ni ber ni meeting. Eno me wana tie ko be uni. In next week one ber ul ping. I will take a look at Pekino do you out and then kira moro chop kere. Ti winyun. Yen manu po ber ginu chop maro chung. Keru no ko ping manu ni ke. Na wan mo. DPC wa ba wa tanara. Saya. Ayo we do liu. Manu ke anak ko bi wot chop bizini. Keri chop. Ekate wot kana ron wor ye ti winyun. Manu en po beru kiname ana ron ni jwa kamera. Yena nang ko ba nang kele. Dita mo kele DPC en ki kele ko gole. Ti winyun. Now kele jami choj kita ma ko kele. Ti winyun. Yendo ko ne me yo gino bino kan peri na giti pressurize ngani. Nigin since George bero go to gipi kopo pig do gini wi ni DPC amanu tia kobogi onyo konyogi tia koboko do gini tu tamane kita yina chale bero do security ni ko e mat chungi like do kana ni enu mi akobe uni ti winyun mo ame ti winyun be kope kobo RDC DPC diso RPC koringagi manu wanu bero out ko ko ni tinu ko bi ko ayini te wot eto ka un nyunga tor ko ni wanu nu ti meto dan pitien ko pa bera man ko bi yora ngo yora ber office now ber mechwali po yuni karme ko pe PG ber wo kan po yuni mo mi jo binu kan kere warga gi mo mana chele ke chwali office president yore dange no kita yore ber kere no so kiti na wuni ti worun keni mom teta mo ni beru wana ngeoni ni beru no ja beche ja nyang dangu wini ko teni aye ana bera tela bera ka wang president no ana ko biuni no beru position na make kita procedure wor kere ti winyu no ma pie je mi wo por kelo na bari borakan mi ukes gitu le yani na ti ana teteri koma na officer president me une te ko bi wot kere kyo karamana cha ko buni ngo ni poster jo ti ma cho pe bere mano me go na ti winyu no ana ko le ba wun wan bere le ba tiel ka gina ko bi no ti ko bi procedure ni anga bere ni wot keru ni kyo ni man do on Boda Boda ti ko mana
For Lao News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.